Hello everybody. Today I will show you a little signals, crypto signals on how to achieve on bybit or Binance. As you can see here, I have 100% of ROI. At this time, I have waged that the Bitcoin will go. If you can see here, take profit to sell short to 89,484. So at the moment I have €6 and a half. Let me first tell you that I'm not a financial advisor, so everything you do first check yourself, and whatever I'm doing, I'm not doing for money. I'm just doing to show you what can be done. That's why the amounts are so small. Here I have a margin of I think that, let's check out. I have put the margin of uh, where is it? Mhm. I think it's 80. The margin is 80. I don't know where it's. I think the margin is 80 here. So this is crypto signals that I'm actual leverage is it's 20. I see. Yeah, it's 20. I wanted to put more, but I didn't. Okay. Um, and this is Binance. So we are here 108% at this moment. It will go to till 88, 88 and 800 or 900, 100%. I have put it on 89, but it will go lower. To my calculations, this is bybit. This is bybit. On bybit, as you can see, I have 45%. At this time, this is €2 and 26. And here I have put 88 and 909 to take profit. Be aware for the next crypto signals in the next days. Subscribe to my channel, make notifications, and if you want to earn something, of course you will have to put a little more money. For me, I will just show you some things what can be done later. We will also explain how we are reading the graphs so that we know that we can take the profit. Okay, for now, thank you very much, and see you tomorrow.